Struggling with messy cables, limited mobility, or signal drops during presentations or streaming? HDMI transmitters solve all that by sending high-quality video wirelessly. No clutter, no hassle. Whether you're streaming, gaming, live broadcasting, or presenting, a reliable wireless HDMI system makes everything smoother. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best HDMI transmitters you can buy right now. Powerful, low latency, and built for real performance. We researched specs and user feedback to bring you the best picks. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. Lemorele 5G1080p Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The Lemorele 5G Wireless HDMI Transmitter offers smooth 1080p video transmission with an impressive range of up to 200 meters. Built with low-latency technology, it's ideal for live streaming, camera monitoring, and presentations without noticeable delay. It supports laptops, cameras, TVs, and even app-based previews for added flexibility. The 5 GHz signal ensures stable connectivity with minimal interference. Compact and easy to set up, this device is perfect for creators and professionals who need reliable wireless video on the go. Number 4. The VNNBBS HDMI Wireless Extender Kit. The VNNBBS Wireless HDMI Extender Kit is designed for versatility and long sessions, especially with support for NPF series batteries. It's perfect for live events like church streaming, home setups, or gaming. The system delivers stable video transmission with low latency, ensuring a smooth viewing experience. Its durable design and flexible power options make it ideal for outdoor and extended use. Whether you're connecting cameras or consoles, this transmitter offers dependable wireless performance in various environments. Number 3. Lemorele 50-meter Type-C Wireless Video Transmitter Kit. This Lemorele Type-C wireless transmitter is a compact yet powerful solution for short-range wireless display needs. With up to 50 meters of transmission distance, it delivers crisp 1080p visuals from your laptop, camera, or smartphone to a TV or monitor. The plug-and-play design makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the Type-C compatibility ensures modern device support. It's ideal for meetings, presentations, or quick media sharing, offering a balance of portability and reliable performance. Number 2. Vention Wireless USB-C to HDMI Transmitter Receiver Adapter. The Vention Wireless USB-C to HDMI adapter stands out with support for 4K resolution and a stable 5 GHz connection. Designed for modern devices like the latest smartphones and laptops, it ensures smooth, high-definition streaming with minimal lag. With a transmission range of up to 50 meters and PD 60-watt charging support, it keeps your device powered while in use. Perfect for home entertainment, office presentations, or mobile streaming, this adapter combines performance, convenience, and modern compatibility. Number 1. VRRIIS 400-meter Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The VRRIIS wireless HDMI system is the most powerful option on this list, offering an impressive 400-meter transmission range. Built for professional use, it features ultra-low latency and a built-in LCD screen for real-time monitoring and control. It supports audio and video transmission for live streaming, broadcasting, and camera setups. The robust design and long-range capability make it ideal for large venues or outdoor production. If you need top-tier performance and reliability, this is the ultimate choice. Wireless HDMI transmitters make streaming, gaming, and presentations easier by removing cable limitations. These 5 options offer strong performance, low latency, and flexible connectivity for different needs. Whether for professional use or home setup, there's a perfect choice here. Which one would you pick? Let me know below.